This dance is called I Got You. It's a 32 count, full wall, improver level line dance with one restart. Starting on our right foot, we're going to be travelling to the diagonal 130, but you're still going to be facing 12 o'clock into some step locks. So we're going to step the right forward on that diagonal, lock the left behind the right, step the right forward, hitch that left. Diagonal again, lock steps to the left, step, lock, step, this time scuff the right. Into a jazz box with a cross. Cross right over left, step the left back, right to the side, cross left over right. Now when you do that jazz box, what you're actually going to be doing is stretching out that side step to the beat of the music. So you'll actually feel it when the music is on, but that side step just takes that little bit longer to do than the others. So that section once more then. Step locks off on the right. 7, 8, step, lock, step, hitch, step, lock, step, scuff, cross, back, side, cross. Step the right, diagonally forward to the right. Step the left beside the right, twist your heels to the right, back to centre. Repeat the left. So you step the left, diagonally forward to the left, step the right beside the left, twist your heels to the left and then to the centre. Add on a vine to the right with a quarter turn, side, behind, quarter turn right as we step that right forward. Into a chase half turn. Step forward on the left, pivot half a turn right, step forward on the left. That set of steps once more then. Step close, twists off on the right. 7, 8, step, close, twist, twist, step, close, twist, twist, side, behind, turn, step, pivot, step. Now there is the equivalent of a 3/4 turn in that vine and chase half turn. If you want to try and take that out, your non-turning steps would be do your vine, side, behind, side, do not turn. Cross rock, left over right, recover on your right, make a quarter turn to the left. So you get to the same place as everybody else, but you just take that 3/4 of a turn out. Non-turning steps, should you need them. So let's put those two sections together then. Step locks off on the right. 7, 8, step, lock, step, hitch, step, lock, step, scuff, cross, back, side, cross, step, close, heel, twist, step, close, twist, twist, side, behind, turn, step, pivot, step. Scuff the right, step forward on the right, scuff the left, step forward on the left. Scuff the right into a step, lock, step, right foot leading, step, lock, step. Rock forward on the left, recover your weight on the right, into a full triple turn over your left shoulder. So this full triple turn is choreographed as half a turn left, as you step forward on that left, step the right beside the left, half a turn left, as you step forward on the left. Full triple turn. Now it is, as its name suggests, a full turn. If you don't wish to do that, you want to try and take that out, just do a coaster step. So a left coaster step, the equivalent. Now I will demonstrate that full triple turn whilst we're doing the dance and the walkthrough. I'll actually be doing the coaster step non-turning alternative when the music is on, but I'll still call out full triple turn so you know where it is in the dance. So that set of steps once more then. Scuff steps off on the right. 7, 8, scuff, step, scuff, step, scuff, step, lock, step, forward, rock, full triple turn. Let's add that to the top. Step locks off on the right. 7, 8, step, lock, step, hitch, step, lock, step, scuff, cross, back, side, cross, step, close, twist, twist, step, close, twist, twist, side, behind, turn, step, pivot, step, scuff, step, scuff, step, scuff, step, lock, step, forward, rock, full triple turn. Add on a rumba box, right foot leading. So we step right to the side, left beside right, step right forward. Left to the side, right beside left, step the left back. Step back on the right, hold and clap. Make half a turn left as you step forward on that left, hold and clap. Into a modified V-step. Then the modification is that you go forward on the out steps of the V-step on your heels. So you'll go forward diagonally right on the heel, forward diagonally left on the heel, then you bring your feet back on the right, back on the left. Now if you don't feel comfortable going on your heels, just do a normal V-step, out, in, close. If you can go on your heels, you're comfortable doing it, and you're not going to slip on the floor, then by all means go on your heels. So that set of steps once more then, rumba box off on the right. 7, 8, side close step, side close back, back clap, turn clap, out, in, close. In the dance when we get to that point, let's put it all together. Step locks off on the right. 7, 8, step, lock, step, hitch, step, lock, step, scuff, cross, back, side, cross, step, close, hip, twist, twist, step, close, twist, twist, side, behind, turn, step, pivot, step, scuff, step, scuff, step, scuff, step, lock, step, forward rock, full triple turn, side, close, step, side, close, back, back, clap, turn, clap, out, in, close. So that's your dance. There are quite a few hand counts in it, so I'll go through it with the counts. Step lock off on the right. 7, 8, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6, 7 and 8. And 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and. So hopefully you get a bit of a feel for the timing. A lot of hand counts. Now it is a 4-wall dance, so let's have a go at the other 3 walls. Step lock off on the right. 7, 8, step, lock, step, hitch, step, lock, step, scuff, cross, back, side, cross, side, toes, close, twist, side, close, twist, twist, side, behind, turn, step, pivot, step, scuff, step, scuff, step, scuff, step, lock, step, forward, rock, full triple turn, side, close, step, side, close, back, back, clap, turn, clap, out, in, close, step, lock, step, hitch, step, lock, step, scuff, cross, back, side, cross, side, close, twist, twist, step, close, twist, twist, side, behind, turn, step, pivot, step, scuff, step, scuff, step, scuff, step, lock, step, forward, rock, full triple turn, side, close, step, side, close, back, back, clap, turn, clap, out, in, close, step, lock, step, hitch, step, lock, step, scuff, step, scuff, step, scuff, step, lock, step, forward, rock, full triple turn, side close, step, side close, back, back, clap, turn, clap, out, out, in, close. So there you have the 3 waltz. Now there is a restart in this dance. Comes halfway through the dance after 16 counts on wall 3. So wall 3 will be our 6 o'clock wall. Once you've done your 16 counts, you will have done that bind and your chase half turn, and you will restart before you go into the scuff steps. So let's take you up to count 16 and restart wall 3. Step locks off on the right. 7, 8, step, lock, step, hitch, step, lock, step, scuff, cross, back, side, cross, step, close, twist, twist, step, close, twist, twist, side, behind, turn, step, pivot, step, restart, step, lock, step, hitch. So that's where your restart comes in, wall 3 after 16 counts. So that is your dance, that's your walkthrough, it's your restart information. Let's give it a go to the music. Five, 6, 7, 8. Step, lock, step, kick, step, lock, step, step, cross, back, side, cross. Step, close, twist, twist, step, close, twist, twist, side, and turn. Step, pivot, step, 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 lock, step, forward, rock, forward, triple turn. Side, close, step, side, close, back, back, clap, turn, clap, out, in, close, step, lock, step, lock, step, cross, back, side, cross. Step, close, twist, step, close, twist, side, and turn, step, pivot, step, 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 lock, step, forward, rock, forward, triple turn, side, close, step, close, back, turn, out, in, close, step, lock, step. Should we start wall, jazz, step, close, twist, violin, step, pivot, step, start, step, lock, step, cross, back, side, cross, step, close, twist, step, close, twist, side, and turn, step, pivot, step, 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 lock, step, forward, rock, forward, triple turn, side, close, step, side, close, back, turn, out, in, close, step, lock, step, cross, back, side, cross, step, close, twist, twist, step, close, twist, twist, side, and turn, step, pivot, step, 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 lock, step, forward, rock, forward, triple turn, side, close, step, back, turn, out, in, close, step, locks, step, close, scuffs, come back, step, locks.
Could ever need. It's like you walked down my wildest dreams. Yeah, I got you. I mean, you got me.
Step
Yeah,
back.
I got you. I mean, you got me. Yeah, I
Close.
got all I could ever need.
Scuff.
So you walked down my wildest dreams. Yeah, I got you. I mean, you got me.
Hope you got that one.